teach me how to love. You teach me how to share. Jesus, you teach me to be kind. And in all I do, to have a good attitude. You're teaching me now. You're teaching me now. You're teaching me now. Oh, oh, oh. You are teaching me important things I really need to know. Jesus, you are teaching me important things I really need to know. I need to know. I need to know, no, no. I need to know, no, no. I need to know, no, no. I really need to know. I need to know, no, no. I need to know, no, no. I need to know, no, no. I really need to. You teach me to trust in you, and you teach me to obey. Jesus, you teach me to use my hands to help my friends to get back up. You're teaching me now. You're teaching me now. You're teaching me now. Oh, oh, oh. You are teaching me important things I really need to know. Jesus, you are teaching me important things I really need to know. I need to know. I need to know, no, no. I need to know, no, no. I need to know, no, no. I really need to know. I need to know, no, no. I need to know, no, no. I need to know, no, no. I really need to know. You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you.
Hi friends, I'm Hayden, and this is a note from our friend Ollie. He hid 3 clues inside this pool about important things Jesus teaches us. Do you think you can help me find the clues? Great! It's time for clue number 1. Oh look, it's a coat. We wear coats to stay warm when it's cold outside. I wonder what it's doing here. We should look for the next clue and find out. Oh, look, I found a water bottle. We all need water, especially when we play outside. My dad always makes sure I have a water bottle when I play outside. We have a coat and a water bottle. That's 2 clues. We need to find one more. It's an apple. I love apples. They're a super tasty snack. We have a basket of apples in the kitchen so I can eat one whenever I'm hungry. We found all 3 of the clubhouse clues. We have a coat, a water bottle, and an apple. I think I have it. These are all things we need.
Who? Who?
It's Ollie.
Hello, Hayden. Who? Who? Found all of my clubhouse clues, did you?
Yes, Ollie. They are all things we need.
Yes, you've got it. It's all true. Jesus teaches that someone takes care of you. Listen to this story and follow me through. Who? Who?
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, hey, friends. I'm Justin the mailman. I was just delivering the mail and admiring this beautiful day God made. The birds are singing and, oh, I see a few beautiful flowers starting to bloom. That reminds me of today's Bible story. Do you want to hear it? Great. Let me just put the story mail in the mailbox. Today's true story from the Bible begins with our good friend Jesus. One day, Jesus went and sat down on the ground with his disciples and began teaching them important things. Would you like to hear what Jesus taught them? Great! Jesus said, "Look at the birds." Oh, look at those sweet birds. Jesus taught his disciples that God takes care of the birds. Think about it. Do birds have refrigerators in their trees? No! And do birds go to the grocery store? No! And do they just get a kid's meal in the drive-thru? No! Jesus taught that God takes care of the birds. They don't have to plant a garden. God made trees and bushes that give them food. Next, Jesus told his disciples to look at the flowers. Flowers are so pretty. God made flowers with the most beautiful colors. What colors do you see? Yes, that's right, I do too. I see red and yellow and pink and blue. Jesus asked his disciples, "Do you think these beautiful flowers are worried about what to put on so they will look beautiful?" No! God already made the flowers beautiful. Jesus taught his disciples that God takes care of the flowers and God takes care of the birds. Jesus told this story to teach us something very important. God loves us more than flowers and birds. And if God takes care of flowers and birds, that means that God will take care of us too. We don't need to worry about what we're going to eat or drink. Just like God takes care of the birds and gives them food to eat, God will take care of us. We don't need to worry about the clothes we're going to wear. Just like God takes care of the flowers and gives them beautiful colors to wear, God will take care of us. Jesus teaches us that we don't have to worry. God will take care of us. I'm so glad Jesus teaches us important things. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who teaches you important things?
Jesus teaches me important things. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who teaches you important things?
Jesus teaches me important things. That's the truth, friends. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. God takes care of me, and God takes care of you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, Jesus teaches me important things like God will take care of all of us. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. Ooh, I can use this periscope to look at the birds and the flowers outside. See you next time, bye.
The people were amazed at his teaching. Matthew 7:28. The people were amazed at his teaching. Matthew 7:28.